Hey everybody, Dr. Luke Stringer here, Advanced Health Chiropractic down in South Loop of Chicago. A real common complaint we have from our patients is when I'm road tripping, I'm getting a lot of hip and a lot of low back pain. Why is that and how do I avoid it? Essentially, it's all based around flexion. What is flexion? Flexion is essentially where you are seated or standing and you're leaning forwards. So imagine if you're sitting in your car seat and you're leaning forwards, this increases the stress and tension within the spine, the muscles, the ligaments, the tendons, and essentially the disc. Sitting in flexion increases disc pressure by up to 300%. Obviously that stress and tension over time is going to create pain and dysfunction either within the disc, via nerve root compression, irritation, and or create stress and tension in the muscles in the back of the muscles that line our low back, which are essentially designed to keep you upright. So the first thing we need to do is avoid flexion. So how do we do that? Essentially, when we're sitting, make sure that we're sitting the shoulders directly on top of the hip, and or obviously with your support or with your chair, then the shoulders are slightly behind the hips. This is going to create the least amount of stress and tension in the lower back. Second thing we need to do is preserve the lumbar spine curve. Our low back, when you evaluate it anatomically, should have the top bone, bottom bone 40-degree curve. Well, as we just discussed, if you're in flexion, that creates straightening of the spine, increases pressure within the disc and in the muscle tissue. So a little life hack you can do is just get a little hand towel, probably like a dishcloth, roll it up so it's around about 3 inches thick, and then place it right in the mid lumbars in your car seat, because that's going to induce lordosis. Lordosis is the curve in your low back. So now, if this spine's shoulders are behind the low back and there's a towel right in the mid lumbar spine, then that's preserving good posture. This is going to create, or it's going to reduce the tension of the disc, which can create nerve root stress, create pain and dysfunction. It's going to keep the tension out of the low back, which obviously create pain and dysfunction. Look, if you can't take a long car ride, if you can't drive more for an hour, there's some dysfunction in the spine, we can fix that. I encourage you to give us a call, 312-987-4878, or just hit the link in the bio to book a new patient appointment. Come in, let us thoroughly evaluate and assess your spine. And if we feel it's something we can help you with, let's create a roadmap to get you out of pain. Live your life as intended without pain or restriction and without the use of drugs or surgery. If you like this video, make sure you like, follow the page on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe, turn on notification bell on YouTube, and we'll see you on the next video.